You can do this in Holland, right?
We are in Ghana now.
But he's a nice guy,
though. Ghana, what?
Oh, wait, I don't get it. But then you good looking. Wow.
You're looking good too.
He's good looking.
Wait, back one or two.
Oh, sure, I can. Oh, he's good looking, right? He's very good looking.
What, ma?
Yeah.
If you play with my man, I'm gonna kill you.
Oh, please, it's not gotten to
I'm
that.
gonna.
Odo, munim. You see, I'm your jinachi. Young Conan Cooper being Tanaka Kranaja.
No. You're not going with her.
Oh.
No, wait.
No, I want him to give you money for God.
I don't need money. No, please. What is garbage?
Let me go with you.
You can go with me as what? Then why did you even bring me here?
Just to say hi to him.
Hi.
Nana.
Do you?
Madam Fodam Kana what ma? Yeah, that's my best friend, in Holland.
What ma?
Yes, hello.
My husband, Nana Boachit, the one I told you.
Oh, that American guy.
Yes.
Oh, nice. Nice to meet you.
He's also a king,
oh,
right?
Wow.
Oh, Boatima.
Oh, Adjoa.
In Amsterdam, we don't greet by hand. I mean, with our hands. You just say hi.
No, it doesn't matter.
So you just. No, but I know my reason.
Okay.
I just don't like this. You keep embarrassing me. You can do this in Holland, right?
We are in Ghana now.
But he's a nice guy, though.
Ghana, what?
Oh, wait, I don't get it. But then you good looking. Wow.
You're looking good too.
He's good looking.
Wait, back one or two.
Oh, sure, I can. Oh, he's good looking, right? He's very good looking.
What, ma?
Yeah.
If you play with my man, I'm gonna kill you.
Oh, please, it's not gotten to
I'm
that.
gonna.
Odo, munim. You see, I'm your jinachi. Young Conan Cooper being Tanaka Kranaja.
No. You're not going with her.
Oh.
No, wait.
No, I want him to give you money for God.
I don't need money. No, please. What is garbage?
Let me go with you.
You can go with me as what? Then why did you even bring me here?
Just to say hi to him.
Hi for what? I wouldn't have been here. We're going together. We are going together.
Adjoa, Yanko. What the Yanko? Hey. What that was so much.
What's wrong with you?
Oh, yeah. Sorry. Nothing.
Hey! Nana, get inside.
Let me be a get more.
Thank you. Thank you. Oh, please. The weather is so scorching.
You put us last.
What the balance you beba near you it's a nipa to cry and nisika.
No, the main change balancing. Yakan. Every million and Kabeya. You can read the message and the more footer and can be system. We read a very young family. Women from more. Jana, hello.
Hi, Jetia.
Yes.
That's my friend. What, ma?
What, ma?
Yeah. All the way from Holland.
All the way from Holland.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, we came together.
Okay. Oh,
hi.
How are you?
Oh, yeah, I'm good.
Hello.
Yeah, hi.
You're welcome.
What's he saying?
Are you asking me?
I don't know.
That's on teaching.
On teaching, Papa.
Oh,
you glad I was able to test hey, I know what you call Andrea.
We have a year cheese.
One teaching, Papa. When one work,
5 years. It's not a joke.
People are got 30 years.
To be in Holland 5 years.
And
No, cheap, Papa.
It's not easy here.
Me say, I say me video. Wadauma. We soon is going to me. Picture. Unyeska nyakata.
Unesa menya mukria. Nti na we frɛ mu.
Ayu ne usunye
wo mu nti na we frɛ mu.
Yo.
Nana Yaboa. He wants my girlfriend.
Was I no open?
As a friend.
Like what they're saying. I want the AC. The place is too hot.
Ghana na wo na so mu na wo te no.
Uti so na papa so.
Madam is
Open the AC.
Well,
Would you have one tea?
Are you trying to insult me? To insult my husband? Are you crazy?
oh no, how can I insult them? I just
Why do you have to ask about AC?
Oh, you are welcome. Young lady, you are welcome.
Thank you.
Oh, how are you?
I'm good.
Besides, you be the and I can get and prepare now.
Okay, if you
Prepare them.
And you're piano.
Oh my God.
Which food you prepare?
You want to give me something? Actually, I like local dishes. So you can give me like fufu with some light soup. And, oh, please. I don't like this.
Also, be there fufu.
Oh yeah.
Any day.
Some light soup. I want more of pepper, and then you give me some pizza.
Any pizza. Like what? Fufu ni.
Discussing about me. When am I leaving?
You.
Is that your problem?
Yeah, it's my problem.
Is that your problem?
You are too late.
Also, it's
my problem.
And to quad open to quadro.
My husband have the right to ask me, not you.
I can ask you. Oh, bullshit.
Obey some of my phone could be me man could be.
Tretia, I've warned you about him because I didn't give myself for him to do this. I warn you. I warn you. He's not a good friend, eh?
Adjoa, what's his name?
Tretia.
Chatia, is that?
Not chatting.
I won't be chatting.
It's
Chatting.
Yeah.
Like you said, his name was what?
Tretia.
Chatia.
Tretia.
Okay, whatever. I'm okay. You know, but then I can mention it.
No, don't worry. Just leave.
And the other one?
And the other one is
My name is Lollipop.
Lollipop?
Yeah.
Wait, Lollipop? Yeah, I love that. Yeah, it was like Lil Tunchi.
Young man, don't always bow, right?
Yeah.
One day, one time, Vas say, boss, say, dear father, no, professor, Va.
Tretia.
Yes.
Are you getting crazy?
It's weird.
Why are you laughing? Just doing like
Yeah, I am more young.
Tristan, I like you guys.
Can you
You're
do
cool.
it again? Do it again.
Jimmy and young crowd. Mamma, the secret come here.
Shay, this is fufu no and a jangan canon. So this is nothing means me. Look why I didn't know.
It's not my jump conconteno la pewano. Brown fufu. Almost like a brown fufu be one the crow. Hello. I know better. I can't just say Jeff fufu for number joining me. Brown fufu.
Send on the substitutes ne fufu. Your friend fufu substitute.
I know.
Maybe I know now. I stock it to you.
Yeah, but people man be so.
Sometimes
you guys are fasting cry.
I mean, we come and make a party or you. Many ministers need to share. Oh yeah.
Hey. I find a prema in me when any swore. I've even forgotten her name.
I don't know her. Who is she?
Hey, prema, it won't carry me. Ma, me nyako. Hey, mama, we are said you. Now, who collaborate when you say, ma, me nyako.
Is that a local name or something?
Yeah. Hey, mama.
Nice.
Oh. Hi. Who has it? Shall I actually? Hey. Maybe I catch you on that. Longer time. Oh, my gosh. A mumpa, we are said you. My best.
I'm lost here.
Yeah. You know, she's play mine. Play mine. I'm no more play mine. I'm Adjoa Holland. Don't call me play mine. No wonder. Play mine is local. You know, local people is play mine. I'm Adjoa Holland. Any Adjoa Holland, I quite me say so quite broche. Yes, my ni by not dear my GD. Oh yes. Hey. Is that all my was here?
Why can't she break things down for me? I don't get it.
Why should I come and borrow money? Hey, I'm a businesswoman. I'm a rich woman. You know, sir? I have houses in the East level. How could I come to you and borrow money? Hey, baby.
He said, "I'm not be what they are coming."
Oh yeah. If you want 10 billion, no problem. 20 billion.
Anyway,
no problem.
And he said, "I was some be coming here."
Don't worry.
Hey.
Don't worry. I'm fucking loaded.
Wow.
Fucking loaded. You asked me.
Yeah, I was asking if she's your friend.
Oh, she used to be someone that I used to send if I want to buy some local fish, Kobe, more money.
Oh, like, okay.
Yeah.
Probably your errands girl.
Yeah, she was little girl.
Okay, hi.
Now you can see how she big.
She's very big, though.
What do you hear?
Hi.
Hi.
You look good, though.
Thank you.
Nice.
But I was say, dear, what dear, Miss Row.
Speak the tree slowly because I don't understand.
Yeah.
You know, I've forgotten.
Brother, so Mama, but I'm
forgotten the language.
I can't even comprehend, you.
Metri aba e wa hase rade amama botira.
She's happy.
Ukonya 30 years ana.
Radi amawo abutara ya.
This is what?
I don't even understand it.
Is it?
Oh, nti ase. Ba isa me ka de abeti ase. Say mpesa mbesa be bia kwan me kobie because the wo ye die.
You want to travel overseas? Don't worry. I'm a very rich person now. In Holland, I got houses.
Wow.
You know, houses. If you Google Bama in Amsterdam, I got houses.
Wow.
Big flats.
Ina na wa bosia create me akonyinya fie bebile wo. Eh. Na me ame wo baje bosia wa me ho. Ha ne me ye ya.
Forget about that. It's past tense. Let's talk about present tense.
The sun is too scorching.
Me. Sikanu say no. I swim in money.
Oh yeah.
Wow. You share more, but by below go now swimming. I'm fucking loaded.
And you mesro. Fami ko bi wa mesro.
Don't worry. If only you have 200,000 Ghana cedi.
Na so we nim say no dey ketu ani man
na wo Holland I don't know.
Mekododo. Meko.
And that money no so. Listen to me. That money no so no. Hey, Udra, you don't have problem for papers. O papers be ready.
And you nani
I also company them. Your company on to do a company no so on. And one so do na ko yeduma.
Mekododo.
There be a better so the problem.
Adjoa meko.
But she wants to travel, right?
She wants to travel.
Oh, then you can employ her in your company, you know that. Yo, she's the president of the Women's Association.
Wow.
Oh, yeah.
Ini Adjoa wenya.
You heard her.
Wenya ho.
Oh yes. Nyame shram.
Baby ana me kɔ nokra me nya nkɔ.
Eti ko. So why you ready pass up so to kind Kofi na kofi sika no half fabra. Half.
Me tese me se nkasa. Nkasa ha wo ho.
And does she have a passport?
Don't worry. You know, if I just click me say na passport back.
Oh yeah, for that one.
Birth certificate go no I don't think
Adjoa.
You have birth
me ye me adanko da adwe say de mle bi no baji mi sika na ya mi no.
Hey.
Me de wini mi o.
Just look at me now. Look at me now. Compared to and
it was a adwuma bia do obi no obi ye o man half. Na chire no. Or the half aka no.
The weather is too
much. Let's go. We don't have time for you. We are going.
So you when you're ready, you link up, okay? Yeah. She's gonna do everything for you.
Adjoa.
Since me on high level. Let's go.
Okay, all right.
Yeah, we are see adion. Ya nyina ye bekọ bi. Sa pa no, nese ska we kwa da ye kitikiti bi. Ya nyina ye bekọ. Hey, boy.